And this morning's project is?
We're gonna try to, this stuff here, they made it to drive trucks across. And you can walk across it, but if you're in nice dress shoes, this might not be the best thing. And then there's a hole here, there's a hole there, there's a hole there. So we're gonna take some expanded metal and lay it over this, cover it up so it looks uniform, but you can still see down because it's kind of a cool hopper down here. Maybe we light it up later on, I don't know. But we want to, that's what we're gonna do. But before we cover it all up, I wanna go down in here and get the garbage out while we still have a chance.